All right, how many different ways can your camper be set up? We are gonna check out the Hike 100 by Winnebago, the H1316SB, and the different ways that you can change this back room. I'm Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. Come take a look with us. All right, so this SB floor plan means super bad. And why is it super bad? Because this back section we're gonna set up in 4 different ways. First way is this utilitarian storage toy hauler version, right? You got the booth seats off to the side packed up, and you got this awesome barn door back setup that I can load whatever I want, bikes, kayaks, etc. Super bad, guys. All right, super bad floor plan. Option 2 is sitting area. We've got a bench seat on both sides. So we can do like here, one or the other, or with a couple easy movements. I've got me a super bad sofa setup. All right, super bad. Option 3 on this floor plan is dinner time, breakfast time, whatever. I've got a dinette table that I can set up. We're gonna have a meal, we're gonna play some cards, maybe some beer pong later. Anyway, option 3, nice dinette setup. Super bad. Option 4, sleep mode. I've got 2 beds that I can utilize however I want, one or the other. Let's watch how we get this booth and bunk bed set up. Voila! All right, what do you think? Super bad? 4 different options in this back cargo area of the Winnebago Hike 100 H1316SB. Hope you liked it. Give us some love, give us a like on the video, comment below on any other ways you think you can make this back section an option 5, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button. I'm Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. We'll see you next time.